Many people use the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings to manifest money, but the fact is that we can't manifest money if we don't understand what money is. Many people think that money is an object or something that we need to work for. But the truth is that the physical form of money has no meaning. Money is just an energy, or in a simpler words, a thought, that is the product of our mind, so we can manifest it in our lives by using our thoughts and imagination. In this video, we will delve into the concept of the energy of money and how you can tap into this energy to manifest abundance in your life. It is essential to understand this concept if you want to easily attract more wealth and prosperity into your life. By the end of this video, you will be able to use your power to manifest money without needing to take action. So make sure to watch this video till the end to unlock your potential to manifest money. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more content on the law of assumption and manifestation. So let's jump right into it. The law of assumption is based on the power of our thoughts and operates on the thoughts that we have in the present moment. If you have the desire to manifest money to feel more secure and free, you need to shift yourself into those states of being in which you feel that freedom and security. Simply hoping for money to show up in the future will not suffice. If you believe that you lack freedom and security in the present and seek abundance to resolve this, you are in a state of lack that doesn't align with what you want. Here's what Neville Goddard says about money. Money is not a symbol of exchange as we are taught to believe. It's a symbol of power, a symbol of our ability to create and manifest our desires. By assuming the feeling of wealth and using your imagination to impress upon your subconscious mind the reality of abundance, you can manifest money and attract prosperity into your life. Most people fall short of manifesting money because they focus on the money itself rather than the feeling that this money represents for them. As I have told you, money represents freedom and security, and tapping into these feelings of freedom and security and feeling as though you have the freedom to buy and do whatever you want is much more powerful than focusing merely on the object of money itself. Focusing on these feelings will help you develop a positive, energetic relationship with money. Often, what gets in the way of people manifesting money into their lives is their relationship with money. They relate to it as difficult to obtain and predominantly feel the lack of it, rather than shifting their focus toward the feelings of security and freedom. Since everything is composed of energy at its most fundamental level, abundance is present everywhere. It's our perception and energetic relationship with money that may make it appear otherwise. Abundance is truly around us. If you look at the things in your life right now, at some point, money was used to obtain that object, and now it's in your possession. So let go of any idea that money is scarce. Most of us are always within a few feet of significant sums of money. Consider the amount of money in your local bank, multiple local banks, or the safes of nearby businesses. This money is also exchanged energetically through the internet every second of every day. The truth is that money is constantly surrounding us, and it's always nearby, even if we can't see it. Money is just an object of energy. It's not something that needs to be put on a pedestal. What this means is that you're only a few feet away from the freedom, security, and luxury you truly want. It's not an unattainable goal, as it's literally within your grasp at the current moment. By tapping into the energy of money, you can easily attract abundance into your life. To tap into the energy of money, you need to change your perception and energetic relationship with it. Begin by focusing on the feelings of freedom and security that you want to experience in your life. Visualize yourself enjoying these feelings and letting them permeate your being. Focus on the positive aspects of money and see it as an object of energy that can help you achieve your goals. Developing a positive, energetic relationship with money takes time and practice. You need to let go of any negative beliefs or perceptions you have about money and replace them with positive ones. By doing so, you will align your energy with the energy of money and easily manifest abundance in your life. The reason why some people lack freedom, security, and luxury in their lives is due to their energetic relationship with these things. The key to achieving these desires is mastering the energy that surrounds them. The good news is that these things are not in some far-off land, but rather right in front of you, waiting for you to become a good host for them. When you effectively practice the feelings of freedom and security, you are literally bringing the energy of money into your energetic field, which has no choice but to manifest in front of you. So how do you begin to cultivate these feelings and develop a strong, positive relationship with money and abundance? We will explore a couple of simple visualization techniques that will help you cultivate these feelings and can help you build a powerful and positive energetic connection with abundance. As you know, Neville Goddard always suggests that we visualize what we want in order to make it manifest in the 3D world. So first, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit down and relax for a few minutes. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to quiet your mind and focus your attention. Once you feel calm and centered, imagine yourself in a room that represents your energetic space. Take a moment to observe the objects and items in the room, paying attention to their physical form and shape. Now release the physical form of these objects and focus solely on their energetic essence. Imagine the objects melting away, leaving behind only the field of energy they carry. Observe the colors, texture, and quality of this energy. Take your time to feel this energy merging with your own, creating a single entity. As you practice this, you will strengthen your ability to connect with your surroundings on an energetic level, enhancing your intuitive awareness and sensitivity to the energy of the things around you. Once you have established this connection, it's time to select an object that represents abundance to you. This could be a car, a home, a bundle of cash, some jewelry, or anything else that symbolizes the freedom and security you desire. Visualize this object in your energetic room and observe its energy. Notice any differences between its energy and that of your current surroundings. Merge this object's energy with your own and observe the feelings of freedom, security, and abundance it brings. Now listen to the object's energy and ask what it needs from you to manifest itself in your life. This could come in the form of a feeling, a thought, or a simple knowing. Be open and receptive to the guidance you receive. Ask the object what it needs you to do to become a good host for it. What can you do to match the energy of freedom, security, clarity, and abundance on a regular basis so that you are in alignment with it? Once again, listen for the answer you're given and be open to the guidance that comes. Don't overthink this too much. Now, once you feel the energy of this object combined with your own in all of its thoroughness and intensity, offer gratitude that your relationship has begun to blossom in a positive and intimate way. This is what is required for the manifestation to occur. Capture this feeling in all of its essences. Now practice this technique a couple of times a day to begin improving your energetic relationship with abundance. As you become more in tune with the energy of abundance, you will begin to see more opportunities for abundance in your life. Remember, the key is to master the energy that surrounds abundance and to become a good host for it. With practice and patience, you can cultivate a strong and positive relationship with abundance and manifest the freedom, security, and luxury that you desire. In addition to this, I have another technique you can try. This technique is also based on Neville Goddard's teachings. To practice this technique, first get into a relaxed state as you did with the first technique. Quiet your mind for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, imagine yourself doing something fun that you'd be doing if you already had the money you desire. Visualize that there are no limits to what you can do and have. Imagine yourself buying everything you desire because you have all the money in the world. Picture yourself on a luxury vacation, sitting in first class. During this imaginary act, give yourself the freedom to do everything you desire because you have an abundance of money. Have fun with this visualization as much as you can. When you begin to radiate your energy in an intentional way and match the things that you want, you can manifest anything you desire. Building a positive and intimate relationship with abundance takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Consistency, patience, and time are the essential ingredients in the process of manifesting money. Consistency is crucial when it comes to manifesting money. You must remain focused on your goals and desires, even when faced with obstacles or challenges. It's essential to make manifesting a part of your daily routine and to stay committed to your practice. Patience is another essential element of the manifestation process. Results may not come immediately, and it can be tempting to give up when you don't see instant results. However, patience is vital, as the universe works in mysterious ways, and sometimes it takes time for the pieces to fall into place. Trust that the universe is working to bring you what you desire, and remain patient in the process. Time is also a crucial factor in the manifestation process. It's essential to remember that manifesting money is a journey, and it takes time to see results. Results may not come overnight, and it's essential to remain patient and trust that the universe is working to bring your desires to fruition. Don't give up on your goals and keep working towards them, no matter how long it takes. In Neville Goddard's teachings, he emphasizes the power of our thoughts and beliefs in creating our reality. When it comes to manifesting money, it's essential to cultivate positive beliefs about money, such as money flows easily and effortlessly to me, and to assume the feeling of already having the money you desire. Neville Goddard believed that to manifest wealth, it is crucial to adopt positive beliefs about money and cultivate a mindset that assumes that money comes to us easily and effortlessly. To manifest financial abundance, one must develop an optimistic and confident mindset that attracts money rather than repels it. Negative thoughts and beliefs about money, such as money is the root of all evil, rich people are selfish, or I don't deserve to be wealthy, can impede the manifestation of wealth. Therefore, it is necessary to replace these negative beliefs with positive ones. Additionally, practicing gratitude for the money we have and appreciating its value can attract more abundance into our lives. Recognizing that money is a means of exchange for goods and services, and that it enables us to live a comfortable life helps shift our focus from lack to abundance. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this theory by Neville Goddard, as he was a great mystic and writer in the previous century. His teachings have brought revolution and a complete change to the lives of millions of people. People who studied his teachings and applied them to their lives became successful in every part of their lives. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.